Hello everybody, today we are doing some unboxings. Hello everybody, today we are doing an unboxing for Sphinx Beard and Sphinx Beard and another one.
Living Legends.
Living Legends.
So where's the Sphinx, Caden?
Do
you know where it lives? Where's the Sphinx? It's what are you doing?
I don't know. I'm gonna cut myself here. Have the scissors.
So where is the Sphinx, Caden?
Where is Sphinx? Let me think of it.
It's not in America. It's
North Carolina. Oh no, that's America.
That's America.
America. I don't know.
Where is the Sphinx at, Caden? It is in Egypt.
I don't know where Egypt is.
Oh goodness.
I really don't know where Egypt is.
Kind of in North Africa.
I don't know where North Africa is.
It's in North Africa.
Wait, is North Africa a state? A country?
It's a country. Well, North Africa is a region.
Oh wait, so that means it's in Africa.
Yes, it's the north part of Africa.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, look at all this
big
goodness.
Box. Whoa.
Ooh.
It's plastic. It's plastic, a bunch of boxes.
It is a bunch of boxes.
My.
These are cool.
There's a huge one.
This is a monster box. Ooh, and a... Ooh, that's kind of cool. It's a
sanitizer. I'm keeping this.
We love sanitizer.
I like hand
especially
sanitizer.
Right now when Arizona's having
keeping that hand sanitizer.
Coronavirus issues.
COVID-19.
Some problems.
I'm keeping this hand sanitizer.
Okay.
Thank you.
What do you think?
I think these are
cool boxes.
These are very well held together. I like this.
It's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff, Caden.
Wait, so how'd you get all of this? Buy it, or was it a gift card? Not a gift card.
The owner said, "Hey, why don't we do a review?" And I said, "Okay, let's do a review." That's what I said.
And Beard has history. Oh, they have separate little boxes for everything.
That is pretty cool. Show that off.
So I'm gonna show it off closer to camera. So I'm gonna be out of camera for a second. I want to show you guys this. This is the box. You open it, it's really nice, and there's this nice softness inside, and then there's the oil. So they have it perfect.
I know.
And they have a box like that for every single one of these.
These are really, really nice. And what does it have on the front?
Egypt.
Sphinx. That's the Sphinx.
Oh, I thought that was Egypt.
It's the Sphinx. What do you think of this?
Cool.
Sphinx? Oh, these are really nice.
Yeah,
so
I was showing them.
So let's open these up one at a time.
So do we take them out?
Yes, we can.
Oh, I want to use this one first. This one's called Smolder.
These are nice. Ooh, these
all
are
right, so
nice.
We're going to put the boxes right here. We want this to be... I don't want them to put effort into putting these in boxes for nothing. This is called Smolder.
Ooh, let's smell Smolder.
Shake well. Oh, they have Shake well stickers on it.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, these are really impressive. I feel like these are so much more luxurious. Where Beard has history. When Beard has history. What do you think?
Cologne.
Oh, it's like a smoky cologne. Yes.
It smells so good.
Yes, that is nice.
Oh, what are the other ones going to be?
I know, there's so many
this is the beginning one.
I know.
It smells absolutely amazing. No, the lid. Yeah. I caught it! I caught it! Yay!
Okay, what do we have like...
This is cool. I like it. I like this a lot.
I know.
We need to put it back in the box.
In the box. Sphinx.
This one. Ooh.
It's a... What is that? It is a
balm. Ooh. This is called Black Desert.
Black Desert.
Wait, here's the truth though.
Does it?
It does not.
It does not shake, so it means it's probably a medium balm.
Feels real nice.
Yeah, it's about medium.
But that smell.
Yeah.
But that smell, though.
Oh, that's a nice smell, too. Ooh.
It's a lighter smell, but smells absolutely amazing.
So this is Smolder. And what was that one called?
We're gonna have to...
Black Desert.
We're gonna have to buy a lot of stuff from these people, because these people have amazing products.
It smells really nice. Okay.
Like, I can already tell what this is gonna be.
Okay, what's that?
Pure amazement. Oh, these are the ones. I'm keeping them in a box so they're still nice.
Okay, what's this one, Caden?
Black Desert Oil.
That's the Black Desert Oil.
It smells really nice. I like it.
It does smell really nice.
I like it. I like it very well. Wait, I just realized we have to shake this.
Gotta shake it a little bit. Shake it up. Okay, now, but you know what? It has that little restrictor top.
It smells a lot more different after you shake it.
Yep, it smells good.
All right, put it back
like
in the box.
That's like a cologne. Ooh, that's nice. Do you feel like you've been in the... I feel like that is...
The Black Desert.
The Black Desert.
Wait, I want to choose it.
Okay.
Ready?
What is it?
This one's a bomb.
Okay.
I can already tell this one's a bomb.
It's
Yes!
bomb. What is it?
It is Smolder.
Ooh.
Ooh, that means this one's... One of these is the bomb in oil. Which one?
Yes, I don't know, but...
I call this one's the oil, and this one's the bomb.
Okay, well, try that. Smell that one. What does it smell like? I don't smell... It doesn't smell...
A lighter smell of Smolder.
Yep, it's nice. Very nice.
Oh, I can't wait to review these.
Smolder is
Unboxing
very
them's
nice.
cool.
Black Desert,
Reviewing
very
is gonna be
nice.
cool. All right, so is this oil?
What's this? Okay, what do you think?
No!
Oh, he's wrong.
That means.
Okay, what
No!
is the smells on those, sir?
La Friture. It's hard to say. Don't judge me. Also, I don't speak too well of English, so.
La Francia.
La Francia. Shake well.
We'll have to go look at the meaning behind that one.
It smells really nice.
Oh, that's a really nice smell. Holy moly, that's cologne.
Holy
that is
guacamole.
That is high-end cologne. That is high-end cologne.
Oh, yes. But you want
Yeah, that's totally high-end cologne.
Dad.
That's really nice.
No, 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 no. This bomb is gonna be awesome.
Yep.
This is so cool.
Super good.
It smells amazing. This is the fanciest bomb I think I've ever had.
It's fancy.
Or that I've never seen a bomb come in specific containers like this.
It's very cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have the
big packages. Wait 1 second, Dad. Here's how we do it.
This is how we do it.
Ooh, bigger box.
Is that how we do it?
This is how we do. Oh.
Now you're gonna be targeted. We're not allowed to say those words.
We are.
Yeah, we are.
You're allowed. We are.
I can sing it.
Oh, but
I'm
I
not.
can't.
You can sing it.
Oh, but like.
Anybody can sing it.
But I know, but
It's karaoke time at the unboxing time, probably.
Whoa!
What is that?
Look at the bottom. I can tell like little chunks of burnt.
What is it, Caden?
I think
what
oh.
is it? It says what?
Black Desert. Oh.
Black Desert. What is it? What kind of thing is it?
Shaving soap.
Shaving soap. So
Dad,
we have people in my family that do. That is really cool, huh?
Oh, feel it.
I know.
I've never felt anything like that.
It's soap. It's kind of like a
It feels really nice. It feels like rough.
It feels like the desert.
And it smells.
Because it is the Black
even
Desert.
better.
Oh, that's a nice smell. Yep.
I like it.
So we're gonna try out some shaving soap.
But I will put it back in its box.
Because I do have kids that do shaving. And I do shave a little bit here because I need to make sure that this is perfectly manicured.
1 second.
We have one more,
these
sir.
Are niceness. I have a feeling I know.
These are really nice. This is a wonderful presentation. Wonderful presentation.
How do you open it?
Don't.
Do I find
You just look at it.
I'm looking. I can't
Probably
find a way to open it. I'm looking now. I'm looking.
It's a slide box. It's a...
Oh! I did not expect those. I did not expect that.
And we got some samples. Very nice.
So we got Joy, Emma Savage, Aqua Blue.
So, slow down. What is the first one?
I want to do Joy.
So try out Joy first. Let's smell the Joy.
I'm trying.
This is a nice sampler. Ooh, these are hard to get out though, aren't they?
Yes.
Little hard to get out. Little hard to get out. But...
Dad, we're doing Joy. We're doing Joy to the world.
Okay, I got this one out.
We can do it. We can do it. All right, we're just gonna start this one.
Dad's
this is
on the
Bora
ones.
Bora.
Okay, try out Bora Bora.
And make sure you get out Joy because I want to smell that. And
Those are in there.
smoky. Like you're gonna like the scent.
Oh, that's a cologne. That's a very nice cologne.
Isn't it kind of smoky though?
I don't know about smoky, but cologne. Very cologne.
And then we put it back in its fancy box.
These are all really, yeah, okay.
I like putting them back in its fancy boxes because they spend time putting these together.
Okay, so smell that one. Joy cologne, another cologne.
I'm happy I got hand sanitizer.
I love cologne. I love cologne scents, so we are all about.
Ooh, and that's what this thing brings me, joy to smell it.
Oh, that's another nice cologne. They're just all very unique cologne scents.
Look inside. Inside looks awesome.
Yeah, it's very nice.
And looking inside, it looks cool. I don't think anyone's ever complimented the inside of a balm.
Oil, you mean?
In oil, yep. And I'm the first.
Very nice.
I'm the first.
What's the next?
I'm the first person in the world. Sphinx signature.
Ooh, it's a signature blend. You're having some issues there.
Yeah, my hands are too big. Mmm.
Oh, that's nice too. That's super nice.
It smells super nice.
It's all like a little bit cologne-y. The one had a lot of smoke. The smolder was definitely kind of a smoky scent.
Yes.
But the other ones were like, these are all like nice colognes.
You have to try these out. You have to try out a lot.
I know, that's kind of cool.
Take a couple weeks, huh, Dad?
More than that, probably.
True. So, they smell amazing though. I mean, it's going to be worth it. Wait, what is this?
What is that one?
Honey tobacco.
Honey tobacco. Ooh, that's a unique one. Honey tobacco.
Ooh, and it smells like literally what it is, kind of a honey tobacco.
Oh, that's nice.
Because I've smelt tobacco and that's what it smells like.
Yeah, that's super nice.
Just the tobacco balm, tobacco bud, and I smell all those types of tobaccos. What is tobacco?
It's a leaf that people smoke and they chew on.
Oh my.
It's actually, the Native Americans grew it, and then the English started taking it overseas, and they just started smoking it and chewing it.
I have a feeling this is going to be...
That's what's in cigarettes.
I have a feeling this is going to be an
pipes.
ocean type thing by it's aqua blue.
Aqua blue.
Oh wait, you didn't even smell it. I just put it back in the box.
It's okay.
Sorry.
I was trying to... That is nice. Ooh.
Exactly what I thought. Aqua. A really nice aqua smell.
Oh, that is beautiful.
The scent is amazing.
That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. I really like that one. Ooh. And it's another cologne. So it's like that aqua nautical cologne scent. I think Nautica is the closest one that I can think of that matches up to this one.
The big finale.
Oh, that's nice.
We have Extreme Savage.
Yeah.
Savage. It's S-U-V-A-G-E.
You're savage.
Savage. It smells really nice. Cologne.
It's another beautiful cologne. A little more floral on the floral, a little bit higher on the floral notes, but I think
then
that's...
Then I'm going to smell my hand sanitizer.
It's going to smell like hand sanitizer.
I don't...
Oh, it's hard to tell which one I like the most. I'm a big cologne kid, so yes. Yes, 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 and yes.
I love to smell hand sanitizer.
I love the smell of hand sanitizer in the morning.
I do.
So we got some shaving soap, which we're going to use, and the boys are gonna be using. I got adult boys who do shave. I don't shave that much, but we're gonna still test it out. Still got these I still gotta shave this stuff out. Sampler pack, awesome.
We got the bombs.
We got some bombs. We got some oils and bombs.
Thank you so much, Sphinx Beard.
This
is amazing.
Awesome.
It's awesome. It looks amazing. We hope to buy more products from you because this was really fancy.
I know. Wow, colognes. Very nice.
And then
now we got the next one.
Living Legend.
Living Legend.
Yeah, I know I'm doing it wrong, but I'm also doing it smartly.
I've been talking to this company for a little bit. Nice owner, very nice and gracious for sending us something to try out.
How'd you open this?
It's an unbreakable bag.
No, I know.
It's an unbreakable bag.
Nothing's unbreakable when it comes to me.
Oh my goodness gracious! Please stop. Please don't do that
Why?
Okay, what's in there? It's a
bag.
It's
a massive butter.
It's a massive oil. Ooh, Living Legends.
Exclusive
Living Legends.
Legends never die.
Legends
Cool.
never die.
I shall smell this now.
What do you think?
A+.
A+ smell. Let's smell this up.
Light, but A+.
Oh, it is light, but it is nice. Let's put that on your. Let's put a little bit on your little
refreshing
handy. Okay. What do you think?
It smells really nice. Refreshing.
Smells nice and refreshing. Yes.
I like it. I like it very much.
I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
I knew I could do it.
It's a lighter oil, but oh, that is nice. That's really nice.
Hey, we got a sticker.
Ooh, we have a sticker.
Living Legends Beard Company.
Yeah, it's like a lighter like a sandalwood almost.
The sticker.
Back to the fact that we're going to cut that section out.
So I can be like, yeet, there's the section right there. It's out of here. So,
thank you.
Very amazing products. I hope you guys send us more. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. And definitely go check these people out. And we'll see you next time. And peace out.